for the following areas in Montana: Choteau County and Fergus County. The winter weather advisory remains in effect from noon Monday to 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Tuesday. What? Snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 2 to 5 inches. Blowing snow expected at higher elevations. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour at higher elevations.